Aris, are you there in the class? Okay, let you first turn on your camera, then I will teach you. Then I'm going to teach you. Avni, and where you have you gone?
Sir?
Are you there? Your face is not.
Yeah, sir, I'm going to take the notebook and come. Take the notebook.
Okay. Aris, are you there? Riyaz, turn on your camera. Okay, let it be. Riyaz, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what?
Turn on your camera. Rumaisa, are you there in the class? Then I'm going to. Avni, are you there?
Yes, sir. No.
Turn on your camera. Do question number 47.
What
We
can you
should
say
read
the
the
answer?
question also.
Question number 47.
Sir,
Write
we
the
should read the
molecular and calculate the
question
molecular
also.
mass for each of them. Question number 47.
We should read the question also.
Yes. Questions. Abdul Jabbar, turn on your camera.
Sir, formula means like the chemical formula.
I'm saying that turn on your camera. Okay. What is caustic potash? What is caustic potash? What is caustic potash? Do anyone know in the class? Rumaisa, you know? What is caustic potash? Avni, do you know what is caustic potash?
No, sir.
Rumaisa,
No, sir.
it is KOH, potassium hydroxide. What is baking soda? Baking powder. I'm just writing this is the common name and this is their chemical name, okay? Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, okay? What is baking powder? Baking powder, NaHCO3. This is sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is limestone? Limestone is CaCO3, calcium carbonate. What is caustic soda? Caustic soda is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. What is ethanol? Ethanol is C2H5OH. What is common salt? NaCl, sodium chloride. Write down. Maisa, turn on your camera. So this is the names. This is their common name, caustic soda, okay, ethanol, C2H5OH. So please calculate the molecular formula, molecular mass of each of the following. If I'm writing the molecular mass of some, like the potassium molecular mass is 31, not potassium, 19, that is 39. Okay, and that of oxygen is 16, carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1. Hydrogen is 1, and sodium is 23, fluorine is 35.5. Calculate the molecular mass.
Sir, what is the name for ethanol?
Ethanol is a common name. It is means it is a chemical name actually. Its common name is it is a ethanol has a common ethanol. Right here, AC2H5OH. Its common name is ethyl alcohol. Its common name is ethyl alcohol. It is common name, okay? And this is its chemical name.
So done.
Okay, what's the mass of caustic potash? Molecular mass of caustic potash.
56. KO
KOH. Molecular mass
39.
39. KOH.
Um,
What do you have you studied? Calculate the molecular mass for each of them. So if it is KOH, it will be 39 plus 16 plus 1. It will be 56.
Yes.
What is the molecular mass of baking soda, baking powder?
84.
84.
84. Rumaisa,
Yes,
what
sir.
do you get? What is the molecular mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate?
So 84.
84. Okay, let's check. What is the molecular mass of limestone?
Limestone
Uh,
100.
100.
It will be 100. Okay, so let's write the name. So if we are having sodium hydrogen carbonate, this will be sodium 23 plus hydrogen. One hydrogen is 1. Then carbonate is CO3. So C is 12 and 3 oxygen. So 16, 1 oxygen and multiply by 3. So you will add these three, what you will get? 24 and 12. 36 plus 16 3 is a 48. Okay, then 6 into 4, 40, 84. It will be 84. Good. Good, Ramai. And the mass of calcium carbonate is?
Limestone I got 100.
Yes. What is the mass of calcium? Aris, what is the mass of calcium? Abdul Jabbar, are you writing in your copy? And Ariaz, you?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing? Show me your copy. Okay. And you, Aris, are you writing? You are muted.
Yes, sir, I wrote.
Okay. Calcium is 40. Then carbonate. Carbon is 12. Then oxygen.
16.
3 oxygen will be here. And 1 oxygen carries 16. Okay. So when you add these two, you will get 52. And 16 3 is a 48.
48.
When you add this two, you will get 100. Okay. What is the mass of ethanol?
Ethanol 46.
40?
46.
46. Okay. So Riaz, have you calculated 46? How does ethanol has mass of 46? Revisa, calculate the molecular mass of calcium phosphate, Ca3PO4 whole twice.
Sir, what the molecular mass for caustic soda is 40, right?
Yes, molecular mass of caustic soda is 40. This is 23 plus 16 plus 1. 40. What is the molecular mass of amni? What is the molecular mass of C2H5OH?
I didn't find that yet.
Find it fast.
Forty-six.
46. 12. There are 12 carbon atoms, 2 carbon atoms. So multiplied by 2. Then there are 5 hydrogen atoms. Then 1 oxygen, then 1 hydrogen. We will get 24 plus 5 plus 17.
So I got the molecular mass for calcium phosphate.
What's the answer?
So I got 310.
310.
Yes.
Okay, phosphate. What is the molecular mass of phosphate?
31.
31. Phosphorus is 31. And then 16 for the 64. So this will be 95 or 96. Okay, 95. 95 into 2. So you will get what? 100 and sorry, 195, 190, and then you have to add 120 to it. Good. We'll get 310. Good. Good. Okay, next. Done.
Sir, wait, sir.
Write down the formula of aluminium sulfate. Lumaisa, aluminium sulfate. Write down the formula of aluminium sulfate and calculate its molecular mass. Aluminium sulfate. Done. You have you done the question that we have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. NOH we have done. The last we were having common salt. What is the molecular formula of common salt? Avni?
Common
Molecular-
salt is 58 plus 50 grams.
Common salt is NaCl.
Yes.
It is 23 plus 35.5.
Sir, 58.
58.5. Okay, the chlorine is going to have mass of 35.5. Okay, got it? Next. Okay, done everybody this question. And let's move to the next question. Okay, now we shall be going to discuss the molecular mass ratio. Okay, so if you are just talking
Right.
about the molecular mass ratio, find the ratio of the following combining element in the following compounds. So we need to find out the ratio. So how will you find out the ratio? How will you able to find out the ratio?
So I got the formula aluminum sulfate and its molecular mass.
Okay. So first of all, how will you find out the ratio? So ratio of combining ratio. Find out the ratio by mass of combining of these elements. Okay. So we have calcium carbonate CaCO3. So we'll write 40. We will write 12 and we will write 16 3 is 48. Okay. Got it? Understood?
Yes.
Now if
Sir,
you
then we
got
have to
it,
simplify.
what are you saying, Avni?
Sir, we have to simplify, right?
Yes, we have to simplify. Why have you turned off your camera?
No, sir, my mom was in the background. That's it.
To sit there where your mom is not here. Beta. It's a must that I can see you whether you are writing or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now, if we are having, you can divide it by 4. The maximum number that is 4. So 4 tens are,
So
4
10 is
threes
to
are,
3 is to 12.
10 is to 3
10
is
is
to
to
12.
3 is
Very
to
good.
12.
Calculate in this one. Calculate in this one. Combining ratio. You will be going to have the atoms and molecule test in the next class, okay? And I will ask you the oral test will be taken in this class. I will take your oral test, okay? And I will give you marks accordingly.
Sir, when is it is?
It will be in the next chemistry class. Today is your physics class, but physics teacher is absent. So I think your chemistry class is on Tuesday. Yes, it is on Tuesday.
The 20:16:1.
20 is to 16 is to 1.
Yes.
Calcium, then oxygen. They are the 2 oxygen atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms, okay? Because they are 2 OH, this is 40. Since this 2 is in the whole bracket, keep in mind here, dear students, just look at this. Stop writing. Riyaz, look at this. Hey, Abdul Jabbar, look at this. That's why I always ask you to write or to turn on your camera. I can check whether you are writing something, you are not listening to me or not. Abdul, stop writing. Look at this screen.
Question.
If I'm saying OH, OH whole twice is here. So it means 2 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay. Got it? So
Yep.
1 oxygen mass is going to have 16. So 2 oxygen atoms is going to have 32.
Yep.
And 1 hydrogens, and there are 2 hydrogen stills. So 2 hydrogens. So 2 hydrogen has mass 2. 1 hydrogen atom has mass 1. The 2 hydrogen atoms are going to have mass 2. You cut it by 2. You will get 20 is to 16 is to 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Calculate in this one. Ammonia. RS, give me the answer.
Sir, no. The wait, sir, I will do it.
What are you saying?
Yes, sir, I will do it.
Okay.
So I got the answer.
Yes, what's our answer?
14:3.
14 is to 3. Yes, 14 is to 3. Nitrogen is having mass 14 and hydrogen, there are 3 hydrogen atoms, so 3. 14 is to 3. Okay. Done, everybody?
Sir, wait, sir. Yes, sir, done.
Avni done?
Yes, sir, done.
Abdul Jabbar and Riyaz is writing. Okay, till then you calculate the ratio of this one.
Sir, what is the mass of SO4?
No, we are not. The SO4 is not combined. It is H and then S and then O.
Oh,
3
okay.
atoms. So there are the 3 atoms, so 2 hydrogen atoms. So write 2.
So I
One
got
cell.
1:16:30.
1 is to 16 is to.
33.
Okay. Why I'm writing 64 here, Avni? Can you tell me why I'm writing 64 here?
Sir,
Oxygen
because
mass.
it's 4.
Because they are 16 into 4, you will get 64. Okay. Because they are. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to do some numerical problems. Done? No ऐसा? Calculate the amount of hydrogen gas required to. Yes, आपने done?
No, sir.
So let me help you all. Yes, what are you writing? You are continuously writing. Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If we have nitrogen, you know nitrogen and hydrogens are there in ammonia. And they gives you ammonia in H3. That is NH3 ammonia. So what is the ratio? What's the ratio? Here, Maisa, look at this. What's the ratio?
14 is
Me, are you looking?
Yes, sir. I'm writing also.
So you need nitrogen and hydrogen ratio is in ammonia is 14:3. 14 is the mass of nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atom mass carry mass 3. So you write here 14, 3 and then add these two, you will get 17 here. Okay. Add these two. Always you have to do this like this. Okay. Got it?
yes.
Sir.
Then what is being asked? You will been asked that 6.8 grams of ammonia is being required. So write 6.8 here. And what is being asked? Hydrogen. So write X here. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
And suppose if it is also being asked that calculate Y also, means amount of nitrogen also. So first equate these two. You will get the answer. Means write 3 by X is equals to 3 by X. Why I am writing 3 by X? 3 by X. 3 upon X. Okay. Hey Riaz, Abdul Jabbar, look at this. Stop writing, everybody. When I am teaching you, just look at the screen. 3 by X upon 17 by 6.8. Okay. Equate these two because from where did you get this 3? From where did you get this 14? You get this from the simplest ratio. Okay. 14:3 is the ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen in ammonia. And where did you get this 17? When you add these two, you get 17. Okay. Now hydrogen is being asked, right here X, and it is being given that this is the mass of ammonia. So I write between in below the ammonia. Okay, 6.8. Now this upon this will be equal to this upon this. 3 by X will be equals to 17 by 6.8. Now you can calculate. You can reciprocal it as well as you can do X by 3 will be equals to 6.8 by 17. You can also do this. Means reciprocal this one. This will also become. Now this 3 will goes to that side. You will get X is equals to 6.8 into 3 divided by 17. Now you know that if I remove this decimal, you will get 10. Yeah.
Mhm.
And you know 17 ones are 17, 17 fours are 68. You will get X is equals to 4 threes are 12 by 10. You will get X is equals to 10, 1.2. So 1.2 grams of hydrogen will be required. Okay. And if I ask you that how much amount of nitrogen will be required? So you have 6.8 out of this 6.8, 12.8 to 1.2 is oxygen, sorry, hydrogen. The rest will be ammonia. So sorry, rest will be nitrogen. Or if you don't want to do the like this way, so you can do like this way. If you have calculated this one, this is 1.2. So you can either equate this one or you can equate this one and this one. It's your choice. You will get the same answer. Okay. You have calculated the value of X. So I put here value of X. Now again, you can calculate the value of Y. Now calculate the value of Y.
What was the value of x?
We have put, this is 1.2.
Sir, 5.6.
Calculate the value of y.
5.6.
So reciprocal this one, you will get y by 14 is equals to 1.2 by 3.
Sir, is the answer 5.6.
Then cut it. 3 tens are 3 fours are 4. You will get 4. 15 fours are 56. 14 fours are 56 divided by 10. You will get 5.6. Or you can check it that if we are having ammonia, okay, and in total 6.8 gram of ammonia, if we have 1.2 grams of hydrogen, so remaining will be the nitrogen. So you just subtract it from this one, 6.8 minus 1.2, you will get 5.6. So you can calculate either by this way. Done?
Yes, sir, done.
They're done.
Everyone has to properly learn the valency. I will ask you to write the valency of the compound and I will take the oral test. Okay, having your camera on. Okay. So, and having your hands means your hand should be visible to me. Matlab. Okay, you cannot write it. So you will be sitting in front of the camera, having your hand like this or somewhere like this so that you cannot type anything. And then I will ask you the question and you will answer me the question. So this way I will take the test of yours, okay, in the next class, oral test. And then oral test according to the parents means your marks will be sent to your parents. And those who will not attend the test in the next class, their parents will or be informed that the award is not giving the test. So write down proper valency, proper practice each and every question properly, okay, and then I will ask you. Okay. Learn the Dalton dynamic theory, learn the law of conservation of mass, learn the law of definite proportion. Okay, which postulate of Dalton dynamic theory suggests support the law of conservation of mass, which postulate support the law of law of constant proportion, and which what are the drawbacks of Dalton dynamic theory? What is the definition of molecular mass? Okay, atomic molecular mass, AMU. So this will be asked in the examination, so you need to prepare it well. Okay. Next, if the carbon and oxygen when react together, what is the ratio of carbon and oxygen in the calculate the ratio, combining ratio of carbon and oxygen in CO2.
Sir, 3:8.
2:8.
Yes, sir. 3.
2:8.
No, sir. 3. 3 is to.
3:8. Yes, it is 3:8. And what will I write here? What I will write here? 3 plus 8, 11. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if in the question it is being given to you that you have 3 grams of this one and 50 gram of this one, then how much gram of carbon dioxide will be formed?
53.
Maisa, what are you saying?
No, sir.
Riyaz, you are continuously keep on writing and you are not asking, you are not taking interest in what I'm teaching you right now. You are just keep on writing, keep on writing. Just understood the question, what I'm saying. What did I say? Tell me. What did I say? Tell me. What I have explained the question. You were busy in writing. When I write, then you must not write. When I ask you to write, then you need to write. I've told that when carbon react with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. The combining ratio that you can easily calculate, carbon is 12 and that of oxygen is 2 oxygen atom, 32. Okay, then 12 and then 32. Their combining ratio will be, in 32, their combining ratio will be, you can divide it by 4. 4 3s are 4 8s are 32. So the combined ratio is 3:8. Okay, Aris, are you getting? Abdul Jabbar, are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then when you add these two, you will get 11 here. Okay, 8 plus 3, 11. Now, if the question comes in examination, that if you have 3 grams of carbon, it is so react with 50 grams of oxygen, then how much grams of carbon dioxide will be formed? Aris need to answer this question.
Okay. So I think
How much grams of carbon dioxide will be formed?
53.
Okay, if I'm having this 2 gram instead of 50, then it will be formed 5 gram. Huh?
25.
25. That this is the ratio, combined ratio. If we have 3, then we require 8. If we have 6, then we require this 16. Okay. The ratio will remain same. Okay. So if we have 3 grams this one, then 3 grams. What does this means? That if we have 3 kg this one, then we require 8 kg oxygen. If we have 3 gram this one, then we require 8 gram this one. Okay. So if we have still 3 gram, then it will react with only with 8 gram of oxygen will be used from this one, and remaining 42 gram
42.
will remain unreacted. Unreacted. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Remaining
Sir, so in
42
this
gram.
case also only 11 gram of carbon
Yes, it
dioxide
will
will be
only
formed.
11 gram will be found. Okay, beta, you understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I'm going to give you the next question. Okay, only 11 gram will 11 grams carbon dioxide will be formed and 42 grams of oxygen will remain unreacted. Oxygen will remain unreacted. You understood, Riaz? Now copy this one. Done. Similar question if I'm going to have. Have you noted? Not noted. Noted.
Sir, wait, sir.
And according to which law of chemical combination we are just saying this one? Why we are not saying that 53 grams will be found? Why is 11 grams? Why the 42 grams will reacted? Because according to law of chemical combinations, that is law of definite proportions, we say that for particular mass, and sorry, we can say that any elements in a chemical compounds combined together in a fixed ratio by mass. Okay, we cannot have any ratio. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Done. Riaz, Abdul Jabbar, Avni, noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Like for example, I'm having this water, H2 water, okay? H2O. So water, you know, very formula of water is H2O. This is hydrogen gas, this is oxygen gas. So what is the combining ratio of hydrogen and oxygen? So you have to always find out from here. Okay, don't find out from here. Always find out the ratio from here, from the compound formula. Okay, hydrogen when react with oxygen, it will gives you water. So what is okay? What is the combining ratio?
1:8.
1:8. Yes, but if you find out, Ramaisa, if you find out from this one 2:32, then you will get wrong. Okay, so don't never try to find out the ratio from the reactant. Always find out from the product. Okay, from the compound that is being formed. Okay, so if we have water here, so water is 2 hydrogen, so the mass will be 2 hydrogen will be 2, and that of 1 oxygen is 16. So you cut it, you will get 1:8. Okay, so 1:8. So what you will write here? 9.
Yes, sir.
If you have this 5 grams and you have this 100 gram, then how many grams of water will be formed? Tell me, Avni. You can do it. Avni can do it. Avni can do it. Avni, tell me.
Sir, are you saying something?
Yes, I'm saying that. Tell me that how many gram of water will be formed.
One 105.
100.
No.
9 only.
Yeah. So Maisa, tell me.
Sir, 9.
Only 9. No.
Sir, 45.
You can simply do it by using that. If you need 1 here, and instead you are having 5 times of this one. Okay. Just use your brain. Amni, just look at this beta. If you are having 1, so you multiply it by 5, you will get 5 grams.
Okay.
So you have to multiply this also by 5 and this also by 5.
Okay.
Okay. Now for 5 grams, how much grams of oxygen will be required?
100.
No, 8 5s are 40
Okay,
only.
sir. Yeah, 40, 40.
So for 5 grams, we require only
40.
40 grams. We have 100. So out of this 100, 40 will be used and 60 will be unreacted. Okay. Then how many gram of water will form? 5 gram from this one
45.
and 40 this. This will add up those. This will get, or you can multiply
45.
this one, you will get 45 here. So 45 grams of water will be formed. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You understood? Please note it down. This is the last question. And
Yes,
after
sir.
you wrote it, then you can leave.
Sir, done. I'll leave.
Yes, you can leave.
Done. Thank you.
Done, sir. Kindly.
Yes, you can leave.
Thank you.